Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be learning how to add skill set in LinkedIn profile. It is going to be quite simple. Now before we start, I'd like you to click the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile that will transform your account into an income generating asset. Alright, so what you need to do is simply head over to your profile using the drop down on the top right side of your screen and then click on view profile. Once we are on your profile, you can scroll a little bit down and you will be able to see skills option. Just scroll down and you will eventually see it coming up. Okay, so here as you can see skills section, I have added a couple. Now if you want to add more, you can simply click on this plus icon, or if you want to edit already added, you can click on this pencil icon. I'm going to be adding a new skill, so click on this plus, and in here you are going to be searching for any skill that you want to add, or we also have these suggested based on our profile. So let's just add any of these. Like for example, I'm going to be adding usability testing and check a few options from here which are going to be most suitable according to our skill set. Once you do, click on save. Just wait for a couple of seconds and you will see it coming onto your skills section. You can see it is now already being displayed. So that is super awesome, and that wraps up our process. Do not forget to click the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Until next video, take care and goodbye.